Getting sick, as you can probably hear my voice, not the best right now, so definitely bundle up when you step outside. 2 fronts, 1 week. The first front is moving in right now, actually. It comes in late tonight and it brings us a chilly Thursday. Then we switch things up again. We warm up again on Friday, and then our second front comes in late Friday evening, and that cools us off for the weekend. So this really is a roller coaster forecast for us. Today we're going to be warm. Average high temperature should be 63. We're going to be at 68. Some of us are going to push up to 70 degrees. Then tomorrow, below average, we'll be in the 50s for a high temperature. Wait until I show you the morning low. Tomorrow morning gets really chilly. Then we rebound again above average with a high right around 70 degrees. That front's going to last us a little bit longer though. You'll notice we are going to stay in the 50s and low 60s, right around average or a few degrees below, before we track another warm up as we head into next week. So Houston is really #1 weather market for a reason. We have lots of changes going on all the time. Live look outside. This is from our camera at our studios on Westheimer in Chimney Rock. It is warm, 64 degrees. This is a 12-degree bump from yesterday. This is our recording station at Bush Airport. You'll notice we're warm everywhere though. Hobby Airport 63 degrees, Sugar Land 64, Conroe also at 64, and that is close to a 10-degree bump just about everywhere. 12-degree bump in Conroe, you're sitting at 64. You'll notice those wind gusts out there are going to be with us for a good portion of our Wednesday. So the wind gusts right now, Conroe 28, 22 for Pearland, 23 for Angleton, so anywhere between 20 to around 30 miles an hour right now. That continues through your commute home, through your late night plans. If you do have something penciled in after work tonight, bundle it up. I'm talking about gloves, maybe a nice beanie, a scarf, because although, you know, it's not so cold out there with the breeze, it definitely makes it feel chillier. Waking up tomorrow morning, we're all going to feel the chill in the air. I'll show you that in a second. So we continue to warm up this afternoon. Slowly but surely that north breeze starts to kick down our temperatures. Notice we're also going to be under clear skies. So that means any warmth we get during the day escapes right back out into space. So 52 degrees by 11 o'clock. And then we start dipping down into the 40s. The sun goes down at 5:43, and that is when it starts to get really cold. So tomorrow morning we are in the 30s area wide, 39 degrees waking up in the Heights, 39 for Montrose. If you're waking up in Jersey Village, you're going to be at 38, 37 for Cypress, and even colder the further north that you go. Navasota, you're going to be flirting with this freezing mark. 33 is going to be your starting temperature tomorrow. Same thing for Livingston, Huntsville. You'll be at 36. But then you make it up into the upper 50s, which will feel really comfortable under beautiful sunshine. From comfortable to on the warmer side for our Friday with a high of 70, and back down to chilly for the weekend in the 50s. Roller coaster temperatures with these fronts that we have moving in. But I will say at the very least, you don't have to worry about rain with the front, so that's nice. Just layer up. You don't need an umbrella to be carrying around with the cold air moving in just yet. As we do head into next week, that is when you're going to need your umbrella. MLK Monday, that is when we have a 20% chance for some isolated showers. The real rain potential starts to increase though as we head into Tuesday, and that's when we're going to start to see those temperatures coming down yet again. But Sherman, a little bit of something for everybody. If you don't like it this warm for January, which is supposed to be our cold month, just wait until tomorrow. If you don't like Friday, just wait until Saturday.
There you go. Just wait a day and
wait it out.
Something will change.
Yes.
Thanks, Kim.